Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if is not turning on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button. And click on this restart icon. Again, tap on this restart icon. You will see phone as restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin. Click on reset. You will see. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.